Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Babebox unboxing for you guys. So full disclosure, if you're wondering where the May unboxing was, the box never came. Also, there's some construction going on right outside of my building and they've been like jackhammering all morning and I've been waiting and waiting for them to stop, but I don't think it's gonna happen. So I'm so sorry. I know that's gonna be like an annoying sound in the background through the whole video, but you know, it is what it is. I needed to film this today. Well, I didn't need to film this today, but I really wanted to film this today, so here we are. I hope it doesn't drive you crazy. So the May box didn't come, unfortunately. It was shipped to me, but it did not arrive. I have put in a claim with Canada Post. They're telling me to contact the sender, and it's kind of like a weird thing because Babebox does send me these boxes, so I'm like, do I reach out to them to say that it didn't come, or do I just leave it? So if you have any advice there, leave it in the comments. I don't want to be like, anyway. Let's unbox the June box. Here we are. Okay, so we have our little card here, and I always love the little quotes that they put on the cards. So it says, the most beautiful thing you can wear is confidence. So if you're not familiar, or if this is your first video of mine like this, Babebox is a cruelty-free subscription box. They do send these to me. This video is not sponsored. It's just, you know, to share what the boxes look like, and I have really been enjoying these. So let's dive straight in. They are always nicely packaged with a little piece of tissue paper, and it's always like stickered closed, really thoughtfully packaged out. And this is what the inside of the box is looking like. And there's always like different colors of these like little packing things, which I think is cute. Anyway, moving on. First item in the box. So we have the Glow on Fifth Beauty Keep It Handy Cream, and this is valued at $16. I have received a few products from Glow on Fifth between Babebox and BoxyCharm, and this is supposed to be a cooling to the touch hand cream. It says it's rich in texture, chamomile infused, and has antioxidant vitamin A to deeply moisturize and help de-stress. It has a plastic wrapper on it. I can't get that off. I have nails. Let me get my key here. See if I can. Okay, we got it. And all of the products that I've ever received from Glow on Fifth have this really pretty light blue packaging, which I really like. I have a lip balm from them I'm using right now. I also have a face mask from them that I really like. So, and this is coming at a great time because I just used up the hand cream that I keep on my nightstand. So I'm just gonna replace it with this. So this is the packaging here. Love that little blue tube. I'm gonna take my rings off and give it a try. All right, so this is what it's looking like there. Does it even smell like anything? If there is a scent, it is so mild, I can't even smell it. It does say there's a scent in it, but it's the very last ingredient on the list. So whatever is in there, it's extremely mild. I can't smell it at all. So if you are sensitive to scents, I would say I wouldn't worry about it with this. Feels really nice. Yeah, feels like a nice hand cream. Great. That will definitely get used in my household. I like having a dedicated hand cream that I just keep on my nightstand because I get into bed at night and realize that my hands are dry. So I like to put on like a hand cream, put my nighttime like lip balm on, you know, all the things. Okay, next up we have a little eyeshadow palette, and this is from Sofia Maybelle, and this is the Flirt With Me eyeshadow palette. Valued at $29, and I have tried a couple of things from them, also received in Babebox. So seeing some familiar brands now as I'm kind of going through the Babebox process here. Oh, look at this, what a cute little palette. I didn't know what to expect. I knew it was kind of small, but that's like a nice little 9-pan eyeshadow palette. Really, really cute. I put that hand lotion on. Do I want to swatch this now? Okay, well, let me just wipe my hands off. I don't want to put like lotion onto the eyeshadows and get like hard pan. Just kind of wiping my hands off on a towel here. Okay, let's just swatch a couple of these eyeshadows just to see what the pigment is like. Oh, they feel really soft to the touch. They have kind of like a raised packaging here. So I have long nails. I'm having a hard time getting my fingers into the palette. I will have to let you guys know, obviously, in a speed reviews how this performed. Ooh, it's swatched really nicely. That's just like one swipe. Really, really pretty. So we've got, you know, some nice metallics there. That matte swatched like butter. So very excited to try that out. I am still using their mascara that I got in a Babebox. I'm using it as my what am I saying? I'm using it as my bottom lash mascara, and I'm actually really liking it like that. So interested to try something else out from the brand. Okay, next up we have something from Basic Beauty, and this is their Pinot Grigio lip kit valued at $25. And it says, every lip gloss needs a matching lip liner to go with it. This lip kit includes a gloss and a liner in the gorgeous shade of Pinot Grigio. Non-sticky moisturizing gloss is all sorts of amazing. And the gel liner provides you with the perfect full pout. Okay, so let's see what that color is like. And again, all the products I've received from Basic Beauty in Babebox have had like very consistent packaging. I really like when brands have like continuity in their packaging. I really appreciate that. This is so pretty. I don't know what I was picturing. I don't drink a lot of wine. I was like, what color is Pinot Grigio? So we've got sort of a nudie pink color combo. Should we put this on? I think we will. Just kind of blotting off what I had on. I just had on like a moisturizing lipstick. Okay, so we've got the Pinot Grigio lip liner here. Oh, it looks like this. Great. Okay, let's give it a try. Just feel like I still have lip balm on. My mirror is right here, in case you're wondering. The liner's going on really nice. Went on really smooth, but it doesn't have that like really like super smooth feeling where it feels like it's gonna slide around. And then we've got this gloss here. Let's try that on over top. Has like kind of a sweet scent to it, not super strong. That goes really well with the makeup look that I have on today. It's almost like we planned it. Feels really nice, not sticky at all, just like they said. In the bottle or in the tube, it looks like there's like little shimmers in there, but it feels like very smooth on the lips, doesn't feel gritty. It's not like glitter, it's like a very soft shimmer. Feels very moisturizing, smells like faintly like cupcakes. I really like that. Did I say this was valued at $25? Really, really excited about that. Next up, we have some skincare, and this is Soon Skincare Biocellulose Anti-Aging Sheet Mask. This is valued at $20. $20? Is it one sheet mask? Okay. Wow. Better be a good one. Woof. Okay, it says restore skin, soften fine lines and wrinkles, reduce pores with the renewing biocellulose sheet mask. Firms and smooths the skin. Niacinamide softens fine lines, reduces pore size. Great, and it's biodegradable, so we love that. I'll have to give that a try and let you guys know. That is definitely a high price tag for a sheet mask, so there's obviously some good ingredients in there though. Looking at the ingredients, it looks like something I would really like, so really excited to give that a try. I don't buy sheet masks in general, but I do love to receive them in subscription boxes. It's something I like to do when I'm like in the bath, have a little sheet mask moment. And then last but not least, we have this product from Lord & Berry, and it's the all-in-one Manuka ointment. This is valued at $20, and it says it's a multi-purpose beauty must-have to help your skin balance. A solid serum with high concentration of natural dry oils and ingredients that melt into the skin. Enriched with Manuka oil for antibacterial purposes, it's mainly indicated to soothe skin trauma. Also excellent for healing injuries. Great. I love like a multi-purpose ointment. Sometimes you can use these like on your lips. I have a like the what is it called? Lana Lips Ointment on my nightstand right now. I'm using that as like my nighttime lip product. I have another similar product to this over here on my mini fridge in my office that I use. I have eczema, I'm sure you guys have noticed, on my elbow. Both of them, but particularly this one. This is the one I lean on when I'm doing gel nails. So I love products like this for things like that. So let's try it right now and see what happens. Sometimes it feels great, sometimes it makes it itchy, so we're about to find out. Oh, that was way too much. So it is a solid serum, so it's kind of like the same way that you would kind of scoop out a cleansing balm and emulsify it in your fingers. This is sort of that same type of way where you just need a little bit, but I think that feels actually really nice. Definitely looks better. That's the thing about that eczema is like, it's not always super itchy, but it always looks like awful. Really love that. So I'm excited to have that. Those are products that you can throw in your purse and use, you know, if you have gotten a little bit too much sun, or you have a little bit of a like dry, sensitive patch of skin, or if your lips get really dry, or if you get this kind of thing on your elbow or your knees or things like that. I love a multi-purpose product. So really excited to have that in my collection. We have, again, seen some products from Lord & Berry in the past in Babebox, and I have enjoyed them. So that's the box for this month. So the total box value is $110. I'm excited about this one. I think this is the first time I've gotten an eyeshadow palette in a Babebox, so I'm really excited to give that a try and see how it is. And all products that I can use. I love that there's like a hand cream in here, super useful. Really excited about this lip product. I think this looks really pretty on the lips. Really, really excited about that. So all in all, I think it's a really good box. Such a shame that I didn't get the May box because I'm really enjoying Babebox. It's been a nice change. You know, I had tried them in the past. We're giving them sort of a second go, and I can definitely see an improvement this round versus, you know, a couple of years ago when I tried them initially. So I think they really have made some positive changes, and I'm really excited about it. Excited to see what we get next month. So let me know in the comments down below what you thought. What product were you most excited to see in the box? I always love to chat with you guys in the comments down below. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon in another video. Bye.